Mamasita, welcome back to my channel, and today I wanted to reveal that I signed up for Boxycharm. I've seen a lot of people talk about this subscription box, and you know, I'm a subscriber to FabFitFun and I absolutely love all of the full-size products that I get through them, but this is primarily beauty products and makeup and body products and things like that. So I was really curious as to what they have to offer. And so as a first-time subscriber, I was able to pick out 2 items that I could get for kind of like a bonus. And I absolutely love Dr. Brandt's brand of beauty products. And so this one is kind of cool. It's an age-defying exfoliator, and it's for microdermabrasion, and I am so excited to try this. It looks like it's a limited edition, and it says it renews skin radiance, polishes, and smooths. So I am really, really excited to see how this works. And what it looks like is you wash your face like normal, but then you use this on as kind of like a massage on your face, and it does exfoliate. So we will see how this works. I'm really excited to try it. And then the second bonus item I got was Superfood Vital Veggie Mask. I don't know, kind of curious about it. The brand is called Elemis or Elemis. I've never really heard of it myself, but I do love trying out different masks, so this was definitely a no-brainer for me just to give it a try. And also because it is all natural, so it's definitely worth trying for sure. So those 2 items I got as a bonus, and I will go ahead and open the regular Boxycharm. This is the January box. So for those of you who have already received your January box, I'm a little behind, but I'm excited. I'm excited to try this and to see what it's all about. And actually, from what I saw in my email, the February box is on its way. So, like I said, I'm a little behind, but hey, it's okay. So let's open up the box here. Let's see, I'm probably opening it the wrong way, actually. Let's see here. Okay. Boxycharm, breaking the ice. Okay, so basically there are 1, 2, 3, 5 products. Okay, the product I got is called Pretty Vulgar, and it looks like it's concealer. I love concealer, so I will definitely give this a try. It is the Undercover Little White Lies concealer. And then I also got the Trip for 2, the brand is Wander Beauty, Trip for 2 Blush and Bronzer Duo. I needed something like this. Let's open it and see what it looks like. Oh, it's taped shut pretty good here. Let's see. Yeah, I'm having some issues opening it. There's got to be an easier way here. Okay. There we go. So this is the Wander Beauty Blush and Bronzer. That's what it looks like. Let's open it up. Oh, for beautiful. Look at those colors. I can definitely, yeah, that is a really pretty pink. I love that. And the bronzer. I'm excited to try that. And it has a cute mirror in there as well. Okay. The next thing I got is called GrandeDrama Intense Thickening Mascara. I love trying different mascaras. So I am so thrilled to try this. It's Intense Thickening. Intense Thickening Mascara. Okay, so let's open it and see. Oh, yeah. That'll be fun to try. And then Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask. Oh, yes, I love masks. You guys all know how much I love masks. So this one, it's Glowing Radiance plus Softening. To use as a sleeping mask, you can use it as a sleeping mask or you can use it as a wash-off mask. Basically layering it on your skin and then rinsing it off with water after 10 minutes. So that is fun. I would love to try that. And then you guys, I think this is like legit here. This is the Ace Beaute Vintage Dawn palette. You can see, that's pretty. All right, let's open it. Now, you guys, I'm not a makeup guru by any means, but this might actually inspire me to step out of my comfort zone a little bit. So it comes in a little box, and then this is the actual palette itself. Open it up. Oh, now, look at that. Look at those colors. How fun will this be? I might just do this for fun, you guys, and do some fun looks. Like I said, I'm no beauty expert, but these colors are really fun. Like, I love the browns. I love a lot of the neutral colors, but I can see where adding the blue or even the green would be fun for a night out. So yeah, that is really cool. I got the eye color palette, the concealer, the mascara, the mask, which I am going to try this for sure very soon, the blush and the bronzer, and then these two fun bonus items, which I'm excited to try both. So that's the Boxycharm I received for January. I will be back with a February box when I receive that next. So in case you're interested in signing up for Boxycharm, I will include a link down in the bottom, and you can check it out as well. Otherwise, you guys, thank you so much for joining me today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.